Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys step by step on normally how I analyze a currency pair. So now let us start on Xauusd. So many people are asking me what is my strategy. So normally I'm using normally pure price action. So although I'm using SMC strategy, so like ICT strategy. So but currently I'm using I'm using pure price action. So firstly, how I analyze a currency pair was that firstly I'm going to daily time frame, or like you can call it a bigger time frame, such like daily 4 hour time frame. These two are the major time frame. So firstly I'm going to discover the structure of the market, what the market is telling me currently at the moment. So once if I figure out like okay, this was the direction of the market, so next thing to do was to only work on the direction that market gives me. For example, if the market gives me like the market currently is going to downside, which is the market is bearish, so next thing to do was for me to only what look for look for only sell opportunity, which is my zone. I'm going to mark my zone to only look for sell opportunity, not buy. Since that what I understand the market that is at the end of the day the market must push to the downside. So in a daily time frame, this was XAUSD chart. So this was to give us, once if you hear like the word the market is pushing to the downside, at least you can see the market like give us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, or you can call it like break up structure, which is your boss. At least you have to see two boss, which is two break up structure, before you confirm what the structure now is pushing to the downside. So on XAUSD currently now the market is pushing to the downside, which give us in the form of downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then lower high, lower low. Market create a new lower low. So now our buyers now come with only been buying, not selling. Remember, we are only working with the structure of the market. So currently now the structure is pushing to the downside. So next thing to do was to only look for our zones, or which is our area where we are expecting to take the continuation of the sell opportunity. So this was our zone, like you can call it breaker block or mitigation block. So once the market break below, so the market just pull back and then tap our zone. So we are going to expect the market to continue pushing to the downside. So this was in a daily time frame market structure. Remember, you have to solve each and every time frame, if each and every time frame is structure. So now daily time frame give us like clear down trade structure. So we are going to only be focused on on selling. So we can connect our trend line, and we can just draw our trend line connected like this, or you can draw it body to body, or you can draw it like week to week. So you can draw it like this. So in a daily time frame, the market already tapped our zone, which is our area where the market is currently at the, which tell us that now currently the market was is at the is it's already get to our zone, which is our area where we are expecting to take the continuation of the downtrend, which is the sell opportunity. So let me scale down to 4 hour time frame and then see what is happening currently at this area. Since that we already understand that the structure is pushing to the downside, so already the market tap our zone and then like give us like price correction. So price correction can come in like M pattern, or head and shoulder, or triple top, or you can call it market structure shift, or you can call it church, which is change of character. All are the same, so don't confuse yourself. So one thing to do was, as a trader, you have to like do your things like very easy. Don't ever complicate your strategy. Then don't ever complicate everything in trading. So the more you complicate things, the more you can get distraction. So now the market just tap our area and then give us like M pattern. So at this point, what we are going to do next was only what, mark this our low out, and then see once if the market like break this last low, then we can call it like the market already shifted, and then we can take our sell position once the market just do a pullback like this, and then we can what, take our continuation of downtrend, which is selling. Don't forget, we are only working with the downtrend on daily time frame that we figure it out. So let me scale down to 4 hour 1 hour time frame to see what is happening at this area, since that what the market already tell us that the market get to our area where we are expecting to continuation of the sell, which means we are going to expect the market to what, continue break this our last low, which is downtrend. So 1 hour time frame, let us see what is happening on 1 hour time frame market structure. So 1 hour time frame market just did not give us any like clear confirmation to the which tell us that the market either is in an uptrend or is in downtrend. So now we are only working with daily time frame, which is the downtrend. So this was our area, our level. So assuming, let's say the market like break this below, then we are going to expect the market to what, to continue pushing to the downside. Or if the market like just come back and then break this our area, come back and break this trend line, or come back and break this area, then we are expecting the market to what, to continue pushing to the upside. Okay. So we are expecting the market to what, continue pushing to the upside at this area. So now we are going to patiently wait. So in trading, you have to patiently wait and see if the market give you what you want, then you can just take action. But assuming, let's say if the market refuse to give you what you understand or what you know, so it's better to you to leave the market, or it's better for you to what, to just went straight to the, don't ever you can go away from your trading view app. So once if you post things in a trading, so you're gonna end up the day like end up losing more money. So this was to tell you that each and every time frame, so you have to solve the solution, which is understanding the market structure, which is the number one. So knowing your zones, which is your order block area, or POI, which is breaker block or mitigation block or imbalance, whatever it is your zone. So you have to figure it out each and every time frame. And then that thing, you have to patiently wait and see if the market just tap this your areas, then you cannot execute your trade. So assuming, let's say now the market just come back and break this our last low, so this was to confirm us that yes, this downtrend is about to happen, it's about to start happening. So we as a trader, we are going to what, we are going to take advantage of looking for sell opportunity. So we are going to patiently wait and see if the market just tap this our area or this area or this area, then what, we are going to take the continuation of the downtrend, which is the bearish structure. So don't forget, in a daily time frame, market give us clear direction to tell us that yes, this market, at the end of the day, the market is about to push to the downside. So this was the daily time frame that the market give us like clear signal to tell us that yes, this downtrend is about to happen. So now we are in a Xauusd chart. So we are in a, so let us look at like the 15-minute time frame to see what the market is telling us, since that the market was what is already get to our area, it's already get to our daily zone. So this was our daily zone, don't forget. So now the market just at this point, the market give us like W pattern, or the market is about to like form like market structure shift, or change of character at this point. So assuming, let's say if the market like break above this area, break above this zone, so this was to tell us that the market is about to start or pushing to the upside. Assuming, let's say the market just break above with clear real body, the market just break above this area, not weak. The market is supposed to, it has to break with real body, not weak. So once if the market rejected back, so this was to tell us that this is invalid. But we have to see like clear body candlestick breakout, then we can expect the market to just do a retracement. Then what we can take the continuation of buy, or you can just drag this your area, drag this your POI, and then you can just wait and then see once if the market just come back. So you have to patiently wait on XAUSD on 15-minute time frame to market break above, and then just pull back, just do a retracement, and then once the market tap this area, we are going toward continuation of buy on this zone. So the buy is not going to last, since that what the daily time frame give us like clear downtrend structure. Remember, you have to follow the major structure such like daily, 4-hour market structure. So this was our analysis on XAUSD. So we are going to watch and see if the market just do what we want, then we cannot take advantage. But once if the market just do something else, we are going to not take action on it. So let us look at GBP USD and just see what is happening on GBP USD. So let us go to the daily time frame straight and then see what is happening on